You were the human Swiss Army knife. You were the ride or die, the 2 a.m. problem solver, the one who didn't just meet expectations, you manufactured them. You gave 110%, which is mathematically impossible, but you did it anyway. And then it happened. You got replaced. Not by a better version of yourself, but by someone who, well, let's be honest, they're a plastic fork compared to your titanium blade. It feels like a glitch in the universe. You followed the work hard, be kind script, but the credits rolled and your name wasn't even on the list. If you're currently sitting in the wreckage of a replaced life, wondering how you could be so indispensable yet so discarded, stay with me. We're about to perform an autopsy on your effort. Here's the uncomfortable truth that your therapist is too polite to tell you. You might have been replaced because you were too good. In psychology, we call this the competence penalty. When you are the rock, people stop treating you like a human and start treating you like a piece of furniture. You become a utility. And nobody feels guilty about upgrading their utility or trading it in for something shiny and new just because it's different. Let's get scientific for a second. Ever heard of the law of diminishing marginal utility? The first time you saved the day, you were a hero. The 50th time, that was just Tuesday. By giving everything, you lowered your perceived value to zero. You became expected, like oxygen. People only notice oxygen when it's gone, but they don't appreciate it while they're breathing. When you overfunction, you allow others to underfunction. Eventually, they don't see your sacrifice, they see your service. And when they get bored or find a shiny new distraction, they leave. Not because you failed, but because you made it too easy for them to forget you're a person with needs too. So how do you stop being the disposable hero? You stop being a utility and start being a priority. Being replaced is actually the universe's aggressive way of unsubscribing you from a situation that was draining your battery without charging it. The goal isn't to find someone who won't replace you, it's to build a life where you are so grounded in your own value that if someone walks away, they're the ones losing the Swiss Army knife, and you're just losing a plastic fork. You gave everything to the wrong person. Imagine what happens when you give even half of that to yourself.